I have been stalling like a bitch because the last time I was here trying to code, I got the shit slapped. What happened? But yeah, it didn't go well, and I was just a little bit like, "Ugh." So I was like, I called it a quits. I didn't touch it, but I was watching YouTube and I was watching people create things, whether it be like mobile apps or games, and it just kind of like made me want to go back into it and just say that like I did something pertaining to the app that I talked about. If you weren't here for the last few videos, I've wanted to start doing an app, just trying to do a simple thing right here, like a simple risk calculator for trading, futures trading specifically, something that's based off of ticks when you're calculating it. And yeah, so that's my idea, like the simple version, the basic version of it. And I'm just scared because coding is scary. Yeah, I listen, as a little incentive for myself, we had this stuff here, and I'm gonna use this as a way to be like, we can fucking do this. Before I start, I always want to be able to understand everything off the cuff, which is impossible. I have a lot of like issues with imposter syndrome and feeling like I'm not worthy just because of like who I am and not being enough. And so a lot of those things really build up this idea that I need to do everything from scratch. And if you've been following me for a while, you notice that that's like a common theme with me. I always want to do my own thing. I always want to build from scratch. I don't want to have no handouts or anything like that because I want to feel like I'm enough, like I can do something, I can accomplish something without having to, but coding is hard, and I want to break out of that whole like I got to figure it out on my own. And I want to copy and paste. I want to get to what I want, get it working like in the way that I know that it can, and really, you know, try to focus on like just getting the shit working. And I just need to stop being like trying to be a coding genius. Like, and I am not that. I'm like, people do vibe coding. Like, I actually want to like be able to handwrite this shit at one point in the future or whatever. But right now, it's just me getting to it, me having some type of something to show, and yeah. So I'm gonna commence, and I will get back to you. My goal when I come back, I'm gonna spark up. When I come back and touch this camera, I'm going to be able to show you maybe one element of what I was looking for, which is literally just a text field. I'm looking for just something where I can input something on a screen. That's really it right now. And preferably like if I can get like a phone emulator, because I really want this like as a phone app. But it could be like but anyway, the next time you see me, I'm going to have like a little input field where I could type something. Does that mean when I type something a button is there and it submits? No. It just means I'm gonna have a page with a field that I'm able to type in. That is the minimum when I come back. That period. And yeah, period. All right. I'll let you know.